Hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing a live demo and review of an SEO analysis tool called SEO Tester Online. So if you are a marketer or an SEO professional and you've been thinking about purchasing this tool, but you first want to know the pros and the cons before making a purchase, watch this video because I have a subscription and I'll show you how it works and you'll get my take on this tool. Pitchground.com is also offering a lifetime deal as of today's recording. For only $69 one-time fee, you'll get this tool for life without paying the monthly subscription. So with that said, let's dive right in. I'm gonna first jump right to the SEO Tester Online homepage. They claim that they are a powerful SEO analysis online tool for your website. So you could improve your search engine optimization and study the competition to reach more of your customers online. So they have 4 big advanced SEO tools. First up is the SEO Checker. So you could plug in any URL you want and it'll analyze that page and give you an overall score. So it'll analyze the basic structure, the content, load speed, and things like that. If you want to go even further, you get the SEO Spider. So you put the website and it'll crawl the entire website and it'll give you an overall score and tell you what needs to be fixed and give you all the important data that you need to make the SEO improvements. The third SEO tool is the Keyword Explorer. So you can look at keyword search volume, competitiveness of each keyword. So if you are thinking about what kind of blog posts to create, what kind of pages to create on your site, this Keyword Explorer will help you do that. And it'll provide you with the cost per click for the keywords if you want to run Google ad campaigns. The last SEO tool is the SEO Editor. So you can actually create SEO optimized articles in real time. So you could use this writing tool and it'll guide you and tell you what kind of SEO updates you should be adding to the content. So it's really for any type of marketing professional. If you are a blogger, if you're a freelancer, consultant, work for an agency or work in-house, this tool can help you with your SEO projects. They have some pretty good reviews. And overall, I think looking at this site, there is a lot of value here. But let's look at the pricing. So their monthly pricing is €29.95. So that's probably a little more in US dollars. You get 100 audits per day. You could do 1,500 explorations for the Keyword Explorer. If you jump up to the professional plan, that's about €80. You get 400 audits a day and you get 6,000 explorations for the Keyword Explorer. So basically all of the metrics go higher, the higher you go. So the business plan, it's about €150. You get a lot more opportunities to crawl more pages, do more explorations, and do more audits. So this is really good if you are a large agency or if you run a large in-house marketing team. With the annual billing, the monthly does go down a little bit. So SEO Tester Online, it's very similar to other SEO tools that do provide you with analysis. One tool is called SEO Optimizer. This is really similar. This audits your site and it provides you with a nice reporting white label feature. So you could do comprehensive website audits and they do white label PDF reports. So if you are an agency, you could run this tool and spin up SEO analysis reports with your own agency logo. So really easy to do, quick and easy SEO audits. They even have some free SEO tools like the meta tag generator, keyword generator, so on and so forth. So this is pretty cool. I don't think SEO Tester Online has this. So that's pretty neat. In terms of the pricing, they are a little bit cheaper. So this one, the DIY SEO, it starts at $19 per month. And so you get all of these features, keyword rank tracking, 20 keywords, you get 4 crawls a month, website reviews unlimited. But if you want more, so they limit you quite a bit for the DIY SEO. You don't get any of the white label reporting or embeddable website audit tool. But if you jump up to the white label, that's about $30 a month. And you get the white label PDF reporting. But if you want all of the feature set, you need to jump to the white label and embedding. And that's $60, $59 a month, almost $60 a month. So it does jump up pretty quickly, although it's still cheaper than SEO Tester Online. Another tool is called WooRank. I've used this tool many times in the past. I think this is a really, really cool tool. It gives you an overall score, the exact same as SEO Tester Online. You could do reports, competitive analysis, a marketing checklist. I think this is really cool because it gives you an audit and it gives you kind of like a checklist on what's done and what's not done yet. So you could easily follow the checklist to update your site. It has a keyword tool, site crawl analysis, and their pricing is the most expensive. So it starts at $59.99, $60 a month for the pro version, and it jumps up to $179.99 for the premium, and then almost $250 per month for the enterprise. And with the pro version, you get 50 keywords that you could track. The premium jumps up to 250 keywords. You could crawl your site for up to 2,000 pages with the pro, but it jumps up to 10,000 pages for the premium. So you could do a lot more the higher up you go. Pitchground, as I mentioned earlier, is running a lifetime deal for SEO Tester Online. So for only $69, you can get the whole tool. You can get basically everything. So let me scroll down to this list here. So you get the SEO Checker. You could do 400 audits a day. You get the Keyword Explorer. You could do 6,000 explorations per month and compare 3 keywords at a time. You get the SEO Editor, the SEO Spider. You could have 5 projects. So if you're managing 5 sites or 5 clients, you could do that with the $69 deal. 50,000 pages per month, 500 crawling limit with 1,000 exports and 20 PDF exports. So actually a lot you could do with the $69 version. And there's other coupons too. So if you click on buy now, you can do 3 coupons. So the more coupons, the more you could do with the tool. And the best seller is, so it jumps up. So it's $69 for the 1 coupon, $138 for 2 coupons, and for 3 coupons, it's $207. So this is the one where you could really do as much as you want with the tool. Now let's jump right into the tool. So I purchased this from Pitchground and it's been working really, really good for me. And so this is once you log in, this is what you see. It says your dashboard. It shows you first all the tools that you have and the credits that you have for the month. And so these are the 4 biggest tools that SEO Tester Online can offer you. Let's jump to the left-hand column here. So this is where you could basically navigate all the sections. So the first thing that they have is the SEO Checker. So you can analyze any web page you want. I work with dentists, but I'm going to pick this one dentist in Los Angeles and just do a 1-pager SEO audit. So it gives you an overall score out of 100. It's a 66.9 out of 100. And they score it by checking 5 big pillars. So mobile performance, social, base, content, and web performance. So looking at this graph, it looks like they're really good with mobile, really good with web performance, pretty good with base, but need help with social and content. And it gives you a screenshot of how it looks like on mobile and desktop. So you can go deeper and look at the base elements, the essential SEO elements that every page needs. And it kind of gives you a whole checklist here. So it scores every element. So the Google snippet is shown here. You can see the title tag, URL, meta description of how it looks like in the SERPs. So it's an 85 out of 100. It says the title tag is good, but needs help with the meta description. According to the tool, it says your description is too long. It says the H1 tool is a 74 out of 100. And it says it's not optimized because in the tag, it's missing the keywords office, Los Angeles, Dr. Randy Lozada. So it's pulling from the title tag. So it's checking to see if the H1 matches the keywords in the title tag, which I think is pretty cool. And it also analyzes your H2 tags and it checks to see if it's secure, so on and so forth. So very, very easy. You could check any page you want and see what needs to be updated. And going to the content section, so same format. It checks your unique keywords, title coherence. So it checks to see if the keywords in the title tag are included in the body of the page, which is really important. H1 coherence, so it analyzes the keywords in your H1 tags. And this is a big list of errors here. There are basically 0 A tags with the title attribute. And it looks at microdata too. And then speed, so it gives you a speed, 81 out of 100, and it tells you what needs to be updated. And then lastly, social. So it checks to see if you have open graph tags, Twitter cards, social plugins, and also checks your Facebook popularity. Next is the SEO spider. So this goes a little bit deeper. So you could crawl whole websites and scan them. I did it for the dental office in LA.com. So it gives you, a screenshot of how it looks like on different devices, and it gives you an SEO score for the overall site. So as you see here, there is a lot of work to be done in terms of social. So you can go to every single element here, and it pulls that data and it lists out really easily. So if you want all of the title tags, you just click on title, H1. So if you're onboarding a new client, you could run this report and download all of this data and start plugging away in terms of optimizing. Say, for example, if you're optimizing all the title tags, you could run this tool, you could export it, and you'll have it in an Excel spreadsheet, and you could do the optimizations in Excel. You could see all of the meta descriptions. You could even see how the snippets appear. It gives you a preview of the snippets. Taxonomies, HTTPS. So it says all of these pages are not secure, so on and so forth. So I think this is a really cool tool if you are really trying to update the whole site. And the next tool they have is the Keyword Explorer. So if you're doing keyword research, this is a really excellent tool to use. So I'm going to do dental implants and see what it gives me. So they're just basically pulling from the Google Trends API. So this is Google Trends. But what's really cool is that you could get a list of suggestions. So if you want to target the word dental implants, SEO Tester Online will give you a list of other keywords that you can possibly target on your page or run Google ads for. So dental implants cost, it gives you the volume, cost per click, data, and competition, and the trend, and the keyword difficulty. So you could download this list and really kind of get an idea of what kind of content you should be writing on your sites. There isn't any additional information around the keywords with this tool, so I think they do have a lot of room for improvement for this Keyword Explorer tool. But let's go to the next one. So this is lead generation. So you could have lead generation forms on your site. So if you are an agency, you could add that form and offer free SEO analysis for anyone who fills out the form. So this is kind of like an email capture form that you could use. Next one is SEO editor. So this is a really neat one because it will help you and guide you to writing the best SEO optimized content. So you click on create optimization and you do like dental implants. So this is the main keyword that I want, and it'll tell you, okay, so dental implants, and it also suggests other keywords too. And it gives you the monthly volume, difficulty, and the competition, advanced competition. So you click next. Choose related arguments. So you could even add dental implants cost, full mouth, dental implants versus bridges. So this really helps you draft a really good blog post or page. Click next, and then you go to SEO editor, and you could just start writing. You could format it exactly as you want. You could do bold, italicize things, add links, add images, bullet points, so on and so forth. And in real time, it'll guide you. So right now, it's 29 out of 100. But as you continue to type and add the keywords that we selected, it'll change the score. So you could look at the statistics, the title, and you put the title here. So you could say dental implants. Say, for example, this is the title. And you see the title updates. So it says, there's a check mark here, and you could analyze the content, headings. So this is a super, super cool tool. I know there are other tools out there that just have this feature and they're charging a lot, but SEO Tester Online has this feature for you already. So this is an excellent tool to have if you are a blogger or if you write a lot of content. And the last one is copy metrics. So you can analyze copy for any page. Say, for example, I want to, optimize let's see here, the dental implants page for this dental website. Say, for example, I want to kind of analyze this. I'll go copy and paste a URL, analyze it, and it's going to crawl the page and pull the most important keywords. And it highlights it in kind of this heat map format. So in the heat map, only the search keywords that have traffic and are the most consistent with the topic of the text will be highlighted. So if you go to, so this is kind of strange. So this is probably one of the cons that I would say. Under metrics, this is kind of, I don't know if they need to update the formatting here or what, but it's hard for me to understand what this is all about here. But topic, this is really cool. So it's listing out all of these topics. And if you click on it, it'll offer you additional topics. So if you want to optimize this for dental implants, you could maybe talk about pricing, explain about the procedure more, maybe talk about the pricing for 2019. And it looks like a lot of people are going to Mexico to get dental implants, probably because they're really expensive in the US. So maybe you can create a section where you can compare your services versus what you might get in Mexico and kind of encourage people to go to you versus traveling all the way to Mexico. So this really helps you build a robust page that targets the most important topics around the topic dental implants. And if it goes to keywords, it gives you the whole list of keywords with the density, the frequency of how many times you used it, things like that. So really, really cool tool. So I think overall, I love this tool. This is really, it's been building. They just recently did the lead generation. They did the SEO editor not too long ago. So they're really working on this tool, a really great team behind it. So I love all of these tools, but one con that I do have is sometimes the English is not the best. So I'm not sure if you might have caught it, but there are certain areas where they kind of explain to you what the tool is about or kind of like what you need to do, but the English is not completely there yet. So it might be a little bit confusing for some of the call outs. But other than that, this is a really powerful tool. Pitchground is having a lifetime deal for only 69 bucks. They aren't going to keep it on forever. So I'm going to be keeping this tool. This is a really powerful tool that's really, really affordable. So if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.